on the ride of the Ruperts. We've just pulled into Headcorn. As we arrived, we just saw a Spitfire doing a barrel roll. I'm hoping I might manage to video a bit of it as we came in, but there's a fair few bikes. It's called the Ride of the Ruperts Hot Run. We're going to get a cup of tea. We've got Small Bikes, Big Adventures, we've got the Royal Enfield Owners Club, we've got Atom, a few friends from each of the clubs. There's Mr. Byway's bike. He's dressed up in full military regalia. That's Dean. Put a photo up later. There's some lovely old bikes here. Getting in amongst it. Just go and get a cup of tea. We're in a bit.